In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to the Bank of America app in 2025. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate your credit card into your digital wallet. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your device. Once the app is launched, sign in using your online ID and passcode. If your device supports biometric authentication like Face ID or fingerprint recognition, you can use that for quicker access. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the app's home screen. Now direct your attention to the menu, which you can typically find at the bottom or top left corner of the screen. Tap on Menu to reveal a list of account options. You'll need to navigate to Manage Debit/Credit Card. Depending on your app's layout, you might also choose your credit card account first and then look for options like Card Management or Manage Card. This is your gateway to managing your card settings within the app. Next, select the credit card you wish to add to your digital wallet. Tap to open the card details. Here, you'll see an option labeled Digital Wallets or something similar like Add to Wallet. This is your in-app path to add your card to a mobile payment service like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Tap on Digital Wallets to proceed with linking your card. Once you enter the Digital Wallets section, select either Add to Apple Pay or Add to Google Pay, depending on your device's compatibility. Follow the prompts that guide you step by step through the pairing process. At this stage, your wallet or phone may request a verification step. This often involves either a one-time passcode or some form of device authentication. Bank of America will typically send a verification code to complete the process, which you'll need to enter when prompted. Ensure you have access to receive this code, whether via text or email, as this is vital for securing and finalizing the connection between your credit card and your digital wallet. Once you've entered the verification code, the app will signal that your card is now active within your device's wallet. You should see it listed as linked in the Bank of America app. At this point, your card is ready to be used with the tap and pay features of Apple Pay or Google Pay. Additionally, within the Bank of America app, you'll have control over your card settings, including the ability to lock or unlock it for added security. This feature can be incredibly useful if you ever misplace your card or need to prevent unauthorized use quickly. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding your credit card to the Bank of America app, making your transactions more convenient with digital payments. Thank you for watching, and happy tapping!